Hi guys, I hope I'm in the frame. I came down to Calwa since I was in town, and I thought I would do a little construction update. I see a PG&E worker over there working on a pole. But there's supposed to be a couple trains coming through, so I thought I'd just walk around. From what I can tell, the crossings are still there. As far as you can go, this is as far as you can get to on Church and East. Florence is still open. That's how I got over here. I drove down that and turned. But I'm gonna go walk around for a little bit, see what I can see. This is what's left of Belgravia and East. It's all muddy, just a bunch of pipes now. And then the rest of East is just a dirt road right now. I hear 717, but I think STOATG is gonna beat it here. Ah! Are we gonna get a meet? Oh, how exciting. Check it out. Tripod sucks. There. Discount tripod on Amazon. Do not recommend. Nice. First train I've seen in a very long time. That sign's sort of still here. Can't drive down here anymore. I mean, you probably could, but I didn't think I should try. Sunday afternoon, so I don't think there's any construction going on. I just saw someone working on the power line a little while ago, but he left. Whoops. Oh, security. Well, we'll see if they tell me to leave. UP crossing is still over there. I think I filmed that the last time I came down. But I guess the only UP that's anywhere around is still in Turlock, so I'm not going to hang out and wait for that. BNSF crossing is still here. And it is very muddy. So yeah, it looks the same pretty much as the last time I was down here. Muddier. More pipes. But you can't drive anywhere near this, so this is obviously totally closed off. East is closed off. You can see straight across, that's East and like Jensen area. That's all completely closed off, and then south on Railroad, which is what this road used to be, it's blocked way, way, way down there. And it kind of just abruptly ends, or at least it did the last time I was down there. It was kind of funny because I was just driving and like the road was just dirt all of a sudden. But here's the old Church and East sign. I kind of like that when they decide to tear it down. But anyway, I caught 2 trains. Not really much else happening. So I'll head out and I'll be coming through here, hopefully on the train on Saturday. Anyway, sorry I haven't been posting lately. I have not been down here to watch any trains, so I didn't really have any new footage. But I will be posting a compilation of trains in Flagstaff. I will be working on that over the next couple days, so stay tuned for that. See you guys later.